will put our finger or our hand over specific heat, and that will show us our formula for specific heat is Q divided by mass times change in temperature. If you notice, it has Q equals M times change in temperature times specific heat. So the Q represents our change in thermal energy, and your unit for it is joules. And your M stands for your mass of that substance, and your unit for it is going to be in G, which is going to be grams. And then change in temperature, you're going to see that triangle T, which stands for change, and the T is in temperature. And you're going to, in order to calculate that, you take your final temperature minus your initial temperature. And that's going to be, your unit is going to be degrees Celsius. And then for your specific heat of that substance is going to be joules per grams degrees Celsius. So another way you can do this formula, complete this formula, is by using this following triangle, where I will put our change in thermal energy at the top over our mass times our change in temperature times our specific heat. So in order to use this, say we were solving for our change in thermal energy, we would put our finger over the Q, and that would leave us with mass times change in temperature times specific heat. Say we were solving for specific heat, we would put our finger or our hand over specific heat, and that would show us our formula for specific heat is Q divided by mass times change in temperature. And if we were solving for mass, we would put our finger or our hand over the M, and that would show Q divided by change in temperature times specific heat.